Welcome to InvestoSphere, where financial knowledge transforms into financial freedom. If you're between the ages of 18 to 60 and based in the USA, and you're searching for a real, consistent, and flexible way to earn money online without advanced degrees or large investments, this video is your roadmap. Today, we're unlocking a deeply detailed exploration of online typing jobs that pay weekly. We're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into the exact skills you need, where to find these jobs, how to avoid scams, and how to grow this into a real income stream. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, a retiree looking to stay productive, or someone simply tired of the 9 to 5 grind, this opportunity can work for you. Let's get started with clarity and purpose. Section 1. The world of online typing jobs. What are they really? Online typing jobs refer to work opportunities where your primary task involves typing, be it data input, transcribing audio, composing content, or converting physical text into digital form. This domain has grown extensively due to digital transformation, and it includes a variety of subcategories. General data entry. Simple input tasks like transferring numbers, addresses, or other data from forms or images into spreadsheets. Audio transcription. Listen to recordings and accurately transcribe them. This can include medical transcription, legal transcription, or general media content. Video captioning/subtitling. Typing out the dialogue from videos, either manually or while editing automated captions for clarity. Copy typing. Taking handwritten or scanned documents and retyping them into editable digital formats. Content writing. More advanced. But platforms also hire people to write blog articles, marketing copy, or basic descriptions if you type well and express clearly. Virtual assistant typing tasks includes email management, typing notes, creating client reports, or document formatting. Each type offers different pay ranges, complexities, and learning curves, but all are accessible with basic skills and consistent effort. Section 2. Core skills required to succeed in typing jobs. While typing speed is essential, it's only part of the skill set employers and clients look for. Typing accuracy. Fewer typos and errors mean less editing for them and more jobs for you. Listening skills. Especially for transcription or captioning roles, being able to catch accents, background noise, and technical terms is critical. Grammar and language proficiency. Good command of English grammar enhances the quality of your work, particularly in writing or transcription. Basic tech know-how. Navigating cloud platforms like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, using file conversion tools, and handling basic troubleshooting. Time management. Meeting deadlines without compromising quality. Detail orientation. Following client instructions down to formatting, deadlines, and templates. These skills can be learned and sharpened through free online courses, YouTube tutorials, and practice exercises. Don't let an experience hold you back. Section 3. The best platforms that pay weekly. Now let's talk about where to find legitimate work that pays every single week. Artev.com offers transcription and captioning jobs. Clear interface, weekly PayPal payments. TranscribeMe, easy onboarding, short tasks, and fast payments. Weekly via PayPal. GoTranscript offers work worldwide. Pays every Friday. Fiverr. Create gigs offering typing, transcribing, or document conversion. You set your rate. Withdraw earnings weekly. Upwork. Competitive but high-paying. Weekly withdrawal schedule. Great for those who build solid profiles. Clickworker offers data entry, survey typing, and text creation jobs. Pays weekly via Payoneer or PayPal. Scribey focuses on short transcription tasks. Weekly payout with no minimum requirement. Microworkers offers small typing tasks. Payments through PayPal or Skrill. People per hour, ideal for remote admin work. Create offers and apply for projects. Appin and Lionbridge occasionally post typing tasks or micro jobs. Weekly or bi-weekly depending on role. These platforms are tested, vetted, and have active communities. Look for project types that align with your comfort level. Section 4. Tools that boost speed and quality. Don't just type smart. Use these tools to optimize, Grammarly ensures your grammar, spelling, and punctuation are top tier. TypingTest.com benchmark your speed and practice daily. ExpressScribe helps with transcription, control playback speed, insert timestamps, and support foot pedals. Google Docs voice typing dictation feature that helps create drafts quickly. Text Expander or Phrase Express automate commonly typed phrases or templates. Most of these tools are free or offer generous free versions. They help you save time and reduce errors, making you a more desirable candidate. Section 5. How much can you earn from typing jobs weekly? Your income depends on 4 factors: experience, speed, type of work, and time commitment. Entry-level transcription, $10 to $20 per audio hour. Freelance writing, $25 to $100 per project. Virtual assistant tasks, $15 to $40 an hour. Microtasks and surveys, $0.50 to $5 each, but add up if you're consistent. With just 2 to 4 hours of effort daily, a beginner could easily make $150 to $400 a week. If you build long-term client relationships or offer value-added services, this can scale to over $1,000 a week. Section 6. How to identify and avoid scams. Not all offers are genuine. Protect yourself by never paying for job access or starter kits, avoiding vague postings with unbelievable pay promises, searching company reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, sticking to verified freelance platforms, using unique email addresses for job applications. Scammers often prey on desperation. Legit employers don't ask for money, they pay you. Section 7. Turning typing into a long-term income stream. Start thinking like a digital entrepreneur. Here's how you go from part-time to profitable. Specialize. Choose a niche: legal transcription, e-commerce data entry, or medical forms. Brand yourself. Create a profile or mini website showcasing your services. Collect testimonials. After each job, ask for feedback. Positive reviews lead to better clients. Offer upsells. For example, offer formatting, proofreading, or conversion services. Track your progress. Set weekly earnings goals and aim to beat them. Consistency builds reputation. Reputation attracts higher pay. You've now learned the most complete roadmap to making weekly income through online typing. From understanding the job types, building the right skills, identifying trusted platforms, and optimizing your workflow, you're now equipped to take action. Start with one platform. Take on one job. Complete one task well, then another, and another. Before long, you'll realize that your side hustle is turning into something real and sustainable. If this video gave you real value, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video to support more content like this. Subscribe to InvestoSphere so you never miss high-impact financial content. Leave a comment and let us know, what's the first platform or job type you're going to try? And before you go, here's something to think about. What would you do if you earn an extra $500 every week just from typing at home? Would you pay off debt, save for a dream trip, or finally quit that job you hate? Thanks for spending this time with InvestoSphere. We'll see you in the next video.